The deeper the snow, the harder it is to detect prey, and the rewards for the effort can be disappointing, to say the least. At last, a squirrel. To survive a winter in these mountains takes tenacity, and bobcats have that in abundance.
A snake so feared, it's simply called the death adder, and it's hard to spot. Its patterns and colorations mimic its surroundings. Dry, arid deserts, or the undergrowth of Australia's woodlands. It can lie in wait, primed for an explosive attack. But first, a trick. Is that a worm or a tail? Once inquisitive prey is within range, this passive hunter unleashes the fastest strike in Australia. Under a tenth of a second. What makes this efficient hunter so dangerous to humans? Potent neurotoxic venom can kill a human within 6 hours.
The migrating birds desperately need these last pools of fresh water. But a dip can also be a relaxing game, unless you're being watched. The Milos viper has learned to hunt these migrating birds. Good hunting grounds are few and far between. A red Milos viper is approaching. The grey viper withdraws with its prey. Back at the pool, the alarm is sounded. The red viper takes up its position. But not every bird understands the alarm call of another species. As its partner looks on from a rock, the female collared flycatcher is caught.
This one might be over 1,000 years old. It survives here in part thanks to its ability to store thousands of litres of water within the spongy wood of its trunk, as is now happening in northern Zimbabwe. For 6 months of the year, the savanna here is kept lush and green by daily rains. But when the rainy season is over, it becomes as dry as any desert. So to survive here, trees must be able to tolerate both conditions. And these giants are adapted to do just that. They are baobabs. This one might be over 1,000 years old. It survives here in part thanks to its ability to store thousands of litres of water within the spongy wood of its trunk. But its battered surface is evidence of a very finely balanced relationship. These huge trees are a focus for animals of all kinds.